Hi there. In this video, I want to show you a couple of things that you can do to make your Gmail a little bit more manageable. First thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a filter. For instance, I often get emails like this from a company that I may not necessarily need to have to come into my inbox, but I may need to see them from time to time. So I may want to have it go into a folder like a junk folder or something like that, and every so often I can go to check it. So I want to set up a filter for this. So I want to take a look to see what my address is. So I have the @smore.com. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the More button, and I'm going to say filter messages like these. So now what I want it to do is I actually want it to pull any messages or any emails that come from @smore.com. So I'm going to delete the hello part, because maybe there might be a billing or a mailing list or somebody in particular from Smore that will send me a direct email. This way it will catch any emails that have the @smore.com. Now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say create filter with this search. I do want to skip the inbox, which means it's going to still be in my Gmail, but it's not in the actual inbox over here. It'll actually archive it. So I'm going to mark that, and then I'm going to apply it to a label. And that label, I have one called junk. I know I have lots of labels, but I have one here called junk. And so it'll automatically apply that junk label on there, so it will pop over into my junk folder over here. Now you notice it's already scanned through all of my emails, and it's found 4 other emails as well. I'm going to check this box so it'll move all 4 of these all at this time over into the junk. Now I'm going to click on create filter. If you want an email to also be marked as read, or you just want to delete it, those are different options here too. So choose the options that you're looking for. Click on create filter. And now when I come over to my junk folder or my label and I select that, you'll see that my S'mores emails have gone into that. Now something else to notice is, here's your next tip. You notice how some of my emails, they are color coded. It's not exactly the color code we used to have in Zimbra, but you can color code by coming over to the far right, clicking that drop down arrow and say label color, and then choose a color. So now that any emails that I have labeled with that will now have a particular color. So for instance, let's go down to my junk. I'm going to choose a label color and maybe make it blue. And so if I go back and look at that S'more, that junk label is now the color blue. So there's just a couple of tips to help you out with managing your email. If you do need more assistance, please feel free to call or email Stony or I, and we'll be happy to come over and help you personally. Thanks, and have a great day.